Hello everyone, my name is Sohan Desai, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, the first part of solving a Rubik's Cube, which is the white cross. And the method we'll be using is basic CFOP. At the end of this video, this is the result you should get. You have the white cross with each middle part matching up with the corresponding side. One key idea that you need to understand before solving a Rubik's Cube is the colors. If you look at a Rubik's Cube, it's going to be a white side, which will always be the opposite of a yellow side. There will be a blue side, which will be the opposite of a green side. If you look on the blue side and look on the right, you'll always find red. And across on the red side, you'll find orange. On the red side, the left will always be blue, the right side will always be green, the top side will always be yellow, and the bottom side will always be white. If you switch over to the orange side, it will be inverse from the green and blue sides, and the white should be bottom, yellow should be top. Same thing for the blue, same thing for the green. All the colors should be proportional to each other, and that way when you're solving the cross, make sure you don't swap the positions of two middle pieces. Now, one of the three possibilities you'll be faced is one white piece will be in the middle, or at the very bottom layer, one white piece in the middle, and one white piece at the top. If you have a white piece that is in the bottom layer, and then the white side's facing with the white side, you can just arrange it so that it matches up with its corresponding center point. If you have a white piece that is not corresponding with the white center point, what you're going to do is you're going to bring it up into the middle layer and then put it down so that the white part matches up, and then like the last step, you're going to match it up with the corresponding center plate. If you have a white piece that's in the middle, you're going to take the side that white's facing on and bring it down. But you're going to do it if you have multiple cross pieces already solved, you're going to bring the layer, the side which the piece needs to go to, and then you'll bring it down. So for this example, I have this red piece which needs to go into here, but if I do this, it's going to mess up the green piece. So what I'll do is I'll move the white piece so it goes right here, this empty slot so it goes right here, and that way when I insert it, the proportions are still correct, and then I can just move it back. If you have a top center piece which doesn't align, if the white side's facing up, you're gonna take the color it needs to go with, put it on top, and then flick it 2 times so it's in the right place. If the piece is in the top layer, but white is not facing up, you're gonna locate where it needs to go. In this case, this piece will go right here. You're gonna put it to the side, and then you're gonna bring the side that you put it on down, and then put this in the right place. You're gonna notice that you messed up this side, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it back.